After a decade of uncertainty and relentless searching, a new phase of hope emerges in the quest to uncover the fate of Flight MH370. The mystery of this ill-fated flight might finally be on the verge of being cracked. Years have passed since that fateful night, but the pain and curiosity surrounding the event have never faded. Now, shockingly, a new clue has emerged. Hearts race as the world edges closer to the truth of this unforgettable saga. Join us as we dive into the latest breakthrough, unraveling the story that has gripped the globe and delving into the depths of one of the most compelling aviation mysteries of our time. Our story kicks off in the early hours of a chilly March morning in 2014. Specifically, it began at 12:41 a.m. on the 8th of March. A Malaysian Airlines plane, Flight 370, was all set to take off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Its destination was Beijing Capital International Airport in China. This wasn't supposed to be a long journey, just over 6 hours from start to finish. Yet, what transpired during those hours has baffled experts and laypeople alike. The aircraft for this journey was a Boeing 777-200ER, a reliable and well-regarded model in the aviation industry. This particular plane had been in service for 12 years and bore the registration number 9MMRO. It was designed to handle long-haul flights with ease, making it an ideal choice for this international route. At the helm of this flight was Captain Zahari Ahmad Shah, a highly experienced and skilled 53-year-old pilot. With an impressive 18,365 hours of flight time under his belt, Captain Zahari was well versed in navigating the skies and knew this route intimately. Beyond his professional achievements, he was known for his passion for aviation, often sharing his enthusiasm on social media and with friends and colleagues. Assisting him in the cockpit was First Officer Fareeq Abdul Hamid, a promising 27-year-old pilot. With 2,763 hours of flying experience, Fareeq was on a training flight, eager to learn and grow under the guidance of the seasoned Captain Zahari. Tragically, this flight turned out to be his final one. On board were 10 dedicated and friendly flight attendants, all committed to ensuring the safety and comfort of the 227 passengers. The passengers represented a diverse and international group, with 153 from China, 38 from Malaysia, and others hailing from Indonesia, Australia, India, France, the United States, Iran, Ukraine, Canada, New Zealand, the Netherlands, Russia, and Taiwan. Among them were 5 young children, adding a heartbreaking layer to the tragedy. As the aircraft rolled down runway 32R and ascended into the dark night sky, it charted a course northeast over the vast South China Sea. Once it reached its cruising altitude of 35,000 feet, the crew checked in with Kuala Lumpur Air Traffic Control, confirming that everything was proceeding smoothly. Not long after, as the plane approached Vietnamese airspace, Malaysian air traffic controllers sent a routine farewell message. It was a standard procedure, akin to saying goodnight when passing responsibilities to another team. Captain Zahari's calm response, "Good night, Malaysian 370, would be the last communication ever received from the aircraft. Moments after entering Vietnamese airspace, Flight MH370 vanished from radar screens. Its transponder, which acts like an electronic ID for the plane, stopped transmitting signals. This sudden loss of communication rendered the aircraft essentially invisible to air traffic control. It was as though the plane had slipped into a shadow, leaving no trace behind. The disappearance of MH370 was as abrupt as it was baffling. Without any distress signal or warning, the plane and its 239 occupants seemed to vanish into thin air. The last confirmed location of the aircraft was over the South China Sea, but what happened next remains one of the greatest aviation mysteries in history. The immediate aftermath of the disappearance saw a massive international search effort. Dozens of ships, planes, and satellites scoured vast stretches of ocean in a desperate bid to locate the missing plane. However, the lack of concrete evidence only fueled speculation and conspiracy theories. Some suggested a catastrophic mechanical failure, while others theorized about hijacking or sabotage. The idea of a pilot suicide was also floated, though it remains a deeply controversial and sensitive topic. Could Captain Zahari, a man with an exemplary record, have deliberately taken the plane off course? Investigators found no conclusive evidence to support this claim. Months after the disappearance, a breakthrough came from an unlikely source: satellite data. By analyzing faint signals, known as handshakes, exchanged between the plane and a satellite, experts determined that the aircraft had likely veered off course and ended up in the remote southern Indian Ocean. This revelation shifted the search area to an isolated and inhospitable region, thousands of miles from the plane's intended path. Despite extensive efforts and the use of cutting-edge technology, the search yielded no definitive answers for years. It wasn't until 2015 that debris from MH370 began washing up on the shores of islands in the Indian Ocean, including Reunion Island and Madagascar. These fragments provided vital clues but no definitive resolution. Fast forward to today, and the quest for answers continues. Recently, advanced oceanographic studies and new analysis of drift patterns have reignited hopes of locating the main wreckage. Experts believe that identifying the crash site could provide critical insights into what happened during the final hours of the flight. In addition to scientific advancements, technological innovations, such as underwater drones and enhanced sonar systems, are being deployed to explore uncharted depths of the ocean. These tools have the potential to uncover evidence that has remained hidden for nearly a decade. While the technical aspects of the investigation are crucial, it's equally important to remember the human side of this tragedy. For the families of the passengers and crew, the pain of not knowing has been unbearable. Memorials and vigils continue to be held, serving as reminders of the lives lost and the enduring hope for answers. The disappearance of Flight MH370 is not just an aviation mystery, it is a global enigma that has captured the imagination of millions. It serves as a stark reminder of the challenges of modern air travel and the vast, unexplored expanses of our planet. As we await the next chapter in this unfolding saga, one thing is certain: the story of MH370 will continue to fascinate and haunt us. With each new clue and every breakthrough, the world moves one step closer to uncovering the truth behind one of the most perplexing events in aviation history. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest developments in this enduring mystery. What do you think happened to Flight MH370? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the world's most compelling stories.